Kind of looks like a burnt marshmallow. That smells a lot worse.
Today we have a very interesting job coming in. I got a call from a really good friend of mine, Tim. He told me a story, it kind of broke my heart. His uncle Mitch has this prize Chevy C10 that's his happy place. When he's just needing some peace and quiet or just wants to go for a nice drive to just have some fun, this is the place he goes to do it, is this beautiful truck. Tim called and said the thing ultimately just blew up. The interior, just the gas tank, something, I'm not really sure what happened, but what I know is the front and back windows were blown out of it, and it looks like a toasted marshmallow on the inside, and some of the paint stuff's bubbling on the outside. So it's not a traditional job that we would normally do here. It's not a full restoration, but it's Uncle Mitch's truck, and our job today is to get it back to what Tim and Uncle Mitch remember. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have Chad and Lobo get started on the tear down of this truck, because what's important here is we get it all cleaned out. There's a ton of soot and ash and bubbled paint. Man, the thing just melted. It was honestly just a miracle that Uncle Mitch didn't get in trouble with this thing and get hurt.
I'm actually kind of worried that if the wind blows too hard, half the interior of the truck is just going to blow away in a sooty cloud.
All right, we're taking the seat out?
Mm-hmm. Dude, no way. Look at this. A mirror that you actually look good in.
Oh, ooh, dang! Ah, burn!
Roasted.
Just kidding. That's sad. This is a guy's truck, but it was a pretty good.
I didn't mean it, Chad. You're beautiful. That's what my mama says.
Oh, you already got this side out?
Yep.
Okay. Safety first, kids.
Okay. Should be ready to come out. Which way do you want to go?
Whatever's easiest.
Maybe my way, since there's no steering wheel.
Yep.
This glass is more tinted than that one high schooler who's vaping in his truck.
Yeah. It is quite tinted. You ready?
Ugh. Nastiness.
There you go.
Oh, I'm sorry, Chad. You definitely got the crispy end of this. All right, you can come out now and probably grab it from over here.
1, 2, 3. Let's sit down. Oh, my back. All right, there you go.
Ooh, gross. It's slimy.
Yeah, that's gross.
Ugh.
All right, you ready?
Yep. Not too close to the sandwich.
No, not near my sandwich.
Oh, nastiness, bro. Okay, maybe we take the gas tank out next. Son of a biscuit.
Now that the interior's out of this burned old toasty marshmallow, we are going to remove this crazy looking rear blown out glass, hopefully without cutting ourselves.
I've never taken out broken glass like this before.
Well, that's a lie. I did do it.
On your car?
On my car, yeah.
When I got hit by the tree?
Yeah.
Oh, that was so sad.
It's so sad.
I'm gonna get some bigger gloves, like our welding and metal fab gloves for us. And I have my razor blade that's in my box. I'm gonna go get that. I want it out as efficiently as possible. So what we'll do is, I'd say cut right here along this seam. It sits, I'd say right here on this first line, and that should give us a nice, and we'll not cut towards our vital organs this time. We'll cut away from our bodies. And when you get deep enough, you can feel the side of the glass as you go through the channel.
I think I'm not that accurate.
Dude, jeez. All right, so I've exposed this side. Okay. Just gonna keep a hand on it. Whenever it initially popped, the cab swelled. That's how much pressure that was in there. I'm very happy that the driver wasn't in this truck. Yeah, very wise, my dude.
If by some magical reasoning we're able to actually get this out in one piece.
It's going straight in there.
It's going straight in there.
All right, big dog, you ready?
No. Okay. Easy, easy. Work it like.
Ooh. Just go ahead and commit. Just commit. There you go. Now lean it forward. All right. Okay. Go to you.
Yep.
Okay. Nice job. Way to go, bro. Holy cow.
All things considered, that went pretty well.
I'd say that went really well. We still have the front windshield to do.
Yeah.
Diamonds are forever. Well, let's continue cleaning her up. That was sweet. Very nice. There you go.
Margaret. Yeah, so we just ripped this bed off the truck. We undid all the bed bolts and we were able to, with enough of us, just lift it. And we're just temporarily sitting it over here on this pallet. The main reason we're doing this is to look at the back of this cab to see what kind of damage the fire did. It got hot enough that it actually started to roast the paint on the outside of the cab. I'm gonna jump into that interior and start cleaning all that soot and crap out of there. Hopefully we can get it clean enough to where there's no longer a smell of the fire anymore. And also just look for any potential damage, anything under the dash that might have gotten cooked or burned, any wiring that might be compromised that needs replaced. Doesn't look like the whole truck needs to be painted. We might just be able to do like a bit large spot touch-up area. I think PT is going to start DAing on that pretty soon. Strip it back, make sure all the flaky paint is off of there and have a nice smooth feathered surface. Start laying some primer and some new paint on. That's what we're about to start on now.
Didn't even spill a drop. I'm so satisfied. So we're doing 10 ounces. It's 25% more than 8. So 25% more than a half is an 8. An 8 plus the half is 5/8. 5/8 of an ounce. That's ridiculous. Alright, here comes the fun part. Flattener. $52.
Chad and Lobo did a great job getting this thing torn down and cleaned out. PT threw some fresh paint on the back of the cab. I think now we're ready to get going on it. Get this thing ready to put back together. Hang on. Oh, what you got?
Dude, look at that. That is awesome.
Uncle Bitch got an upgrade.